So I noticed on Twitter today that you can now put audio layers over any type of Pear Deck slide that you have inside of your Google Slide presentation. So I gotta check this out.
You can do it!
So I'm gonna go to Pear Deck. I opened up a presentation that I have, and I'm gonna go down and find just a kind of a multiple choice question that I already have, because I want to see if it works with the functionality of multiple choice still. So I'm going to open up Pear Deck, and when you open up Pear Deck, you see what you normally see if you have the full version, but if you scroll down, now there is a spot that says add audio to slide. So this is going to be pretty cool. I'm going to add some audio, and this audio recorder comes up. It's kind of big though, so you got to make sure that you can read or actually know what you're going to read. I don't see that you can minimize it at all. And the other part of this is also that I'm only going to read the first sentence, because I want to see if we can put 2 pieces of audio into a slide. So I'm going to start by hitting record. The array below represents a product. And then I can either delete, resume, or save. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to add it to the slide. So that was 4 seconds long. And then this comes up in the upper right hand corner. I guess we can move it if we wanted to. I'm going to leave it in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to try to add audio to this slide again. It comes up as the current audio file, so I could go ahead and it looks like I can download this if I want to, but the only other option is to delete it. So that tells me that I can only add 1 set of audio directions when reading on top of slides. So that's good to know. So I'm going to actually delete this, and I'm going to read the entire statement that's here. I'm going to click, and again, it's big, so you've got to make sure that you know what you're going to read. The array below represents a product. Which expression can be used to find the product represented by the array? And then I can replay this. The array below represents a product. Which expression can be used to find the product represented by the array? Sounds pretty good. So we're going to add the audio to the slide. So I'm going to click the blue button. It's going to probably put that little gray box in the top corner. So it did. Now, what does this look like on the student side? Let's start a lesson and go to this question to see what actually transpires. So I've copied the link, and I'm just starting the presentation as a student. And now I'm going to go to the slide that had our audio on it. And you can see when I get here, it says audio included. And at the very bottom, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner, there's an icon for headphones. And if I click that, you can see my 10 seconds of audio pops up. The array below represents a product. Which expression can be used to find the product represented by the array? That's pretty cool. So on the student side, it is going to work. We can only put 1 audio recording in per slide, but that was pretty easy in order to stick into your Pear Deck presentation. If you are a teacher or a special education teacher where you need to provide the accommodation of questions read or directions read, this is a simple and easy addition to Pear Deck for your students during distance learning.
This is an exclusive.